Hi, I'm Kosar. Welcome to fastbundle's demo. Fastbundle is a product bundling app on Shopify that offers a lot of tools and options that you can use to create a vast variety of bundle offers to target different customers and increase your average order value. Let's get started. I'm here on the admin panel of my Shopify. I go through apps, and as you can see, I already have fastbundle installed. This is what you're going to see when you go to the Home tab, and we're going to start making bundles and filling this up very soon. So I click on this Create Bundle button here, and it shows me the different types of bundles that I can create using fastbundle. We're going to start with a simple bundle offer. So first, I want to show you how quick and easy it is to create a bundle when you know exactly what you want, and then I'm going to come back and talk about all the different features and options that you have in details. So I'm going to choose my products first. This powder foundation, I want to pair it up with this mascara here and offer a 10% discount for this bundle. And I want the offer to only show up on the product page of the mascara. Now that I'm done, I click Save, and voila, the bundle is created. It's added to my list of bundles here, and using this little eye icon here, I can preview the bundle I just created. So we're here on the product page of the mascara. This widget has appeared, which shows me the bundle that I just created. I add it to my cart, and you see here that it's been added to the cart, and you see the discounted price here, which is 56.70, and I go to the checkout page, and the total price is 56.70. So that was a quick preview of how you can make a simple bundle using fastbundle. Now that we saw how the bundle is created, let's go back and see a little bit more details. So I click on this name here, and it takes me to the edit page or the creation page of the bundle where I can edit the bundle. So we saw the simple bundle, which is the simplest kind of bundle that you can create, which is basically adding a few products together with fixed products, fixed quantities for each of them, and a fixed discount. So the customer doesn't get much of a choice in choosing that bundle. They have to buy exactly what you offer them. The only choice that they have is maybe selecting variants. So let's talk about the product selection. You see here that you can search the products on your shop. You can browse the shop and select the products that you want. I also wanted to show you how variants are handled. You see here that this product has a few variants, and you can choose which variants you do and don't want to include in the bundle. So let's change the bundle to include this product as well, and click Done. You can also set quantities for each of the items, like maybe you want to have 2 mascaras in the bundle. And you can change the order in which these products appear on the widget. Let's save this and see how it looks now that I've added this product here. We go back to the Home tab, the eye icon, and the product page. Okay, so now the widget has changed a bit. As you can see, there's the variant selector here, and you can choose the variant that you want. Now that selection of the products is done, we move over to discounts. So imagine if we have a bundle that is worth 50 euros, and we're going to see what happens if we use the different types of discounts that fastbundle offers. First up, we have the percentage discount. Imagine if I was to apply a 10% discount to that bundle. So the price of the bundle for my customer would be 50 minus 10%, which equals to 45 euros. You can specify any value you want here. Next up, we have the fixed discount, in which you specify exactly the amount you want to deduce from the price of the bundle. So for my 50 euros bundle, imagine if I wanted to decrease that price by 10 euros or 5 euros. So I would write 5 here, and my customer would have to pay 45 euros in order to get that bundle. The next type is the set price, in which I specify how much exactly I want my customers to pay for this bundle. For example, imagine if I wanted to be 39.99 euros, and this would be a set price regardless of, if I have variants with different pricing. Sometimes variants have slight differences in the price, but this would be useful for the times that I want to have a bundle with a set price regardless of those variants prices. And I don't want my customer to get all boggled down with the details of the pricing, and I just want to set easy to understand price for my customers. You can also offer free shipping, or just not include any discount at all. Fast Bundle has some distinctive features. One of the most popular ones is the bundle as a product option, also known as combo product, which you can set by checking this box here. And so what is bundle as a product? When you check this option, we create a product that includes all the items of this bundle. This virtual product has its own product page, its own description. Furthermore, you can add attractive pictures and media for your bundle. For example, if you are selling looks or kits, you can have your products photographed professionally and promote the bundle using those pictures. This kind of bundle can also be assigned to collections, promoted on the homepage, promoted on banners, and as a standalone product. So you specify the product status, you set a title, you set description, for example, my first combo. And then you select a picture, as I said, for example, this cover image. And then I want to save and show you how it looks. So once it's saved, you can view the product page of the bundle from here. Now here we are on the product page of the bundle, and as you can see there, the title and the description we added are here. You can see that there's only one call to action button. So if you click this, it's gonna add the whole bundle to the product to your cart. Let's see how it looks. You should choose the variants first and add to cart. Okay, so the whole bundle has been added to my cart. As you can see, there's a detail about this I wanted to talk about. So now you see that each of the items inside the bundle have been added separately to my cart. This is one way of doing it. This actually can be controlled. I want to show you on the product creation page. You see there's a little frame here, bundle as a product setting, which shows you where you can how the bundle is added to your cart. So right now it says add included products to the cart, and it adds them in multiple lines. But you can check this option here and you say add the bundle as a product to the cart as a single product. So if you check this item, and when your customers click the add to cart button, the whole bundle is going to be added as one product. Let's talk about the different displays options that Fast Bundle offers. So here in the side frame with the title displays is where you can control where the bundle offers appear on your shop for your customers to see. First, we have the products page, so you can choose which products page you want the bundle to be displayed on, the widget that we saw earlier. You can choose not to display it on any of the items or display it on all of them, or just choose whichever one you do and don't want the widget to appear on. So for example, if we exclude this Amazonian Clay Gem Powder Foundation and we include the other two, we're going to see, let's save first. Now let's see this page, for example. This is the lip balms page, and you see that the offer does appear here. And If we go on the foundation page, we don't have the offer here. Okay, so that was the products page option. Next up is bundles page. So bundles page is actually a landing page that we create for you, and all the offers that you check this option for them, they will appear on that page, and your customers can see all of the fast bundle offers you've created for your shop in one place, and they can scroll and explore. So the bundles page is especially useful. So first, let's see how it looks. Let me save again and preview it. So this is the bundles page. The offers are going to appear. Right now there's only one, but as they increase, they're going to appear together here, and you can see them. Scroll down, and further down the others will be there too. So the bundles page, as I was saying, is especially useful for the types of customers that are very enthusiastic about offers and sales. This page where all your fast bundle offers show up on is like a gold mine to them. They can explore it to their heart's content and add bundles to their cart. You can also promote this page. For example, as you can see here on this shop, we have the offers page, which is where we've put the bundles page, and it's on the menu, and the customer can easily access this page. So that was the bundles page. The third option is the pop-up. So imagine if a customer of yours has added an item to their cart, which appears in some of the bundles that you have created with Fast Bundle. When they go to their cart page, the bundle is going to pop up and it's going to be shown to them, and they can choose to add it to their cart. The reason why it's useful is that when the customer has already added some items to their cart, they're very likely to finalize their purchase. In the case that they've missed the offer and the previous steps of their shopping journey, they will be made aware of this bundle and might be persuaded to buy the whole thing. So this is a great tool for upselling and cross-selling on the cart page. I want to show you with an example what happens. So remember, this bundle is not shown on the powder foundation page. Let's go to the powder foundation page. So imagine if I were a customer, I'm here on this page and the bundle isn't shown here. I add this to my cart, and then I want to view my cart. So you see, when I come here, this pops up and it tells me that, you know, you've already added the foundation and there's this bundle that includes a bunch of other products, but it has a discount. So do you want to buy this and save like save 10%? And then, you know, the customer is enticed to buy this instead of just the foundation. And so like this, they get the whole bundle and they get the discount. By now, we've pretty much covered all the details there is to know about the creation of a bundle. There are some small details left, and I want to scroll down once from top to bottom and go over everything. So we talked about the selection of the products. This is a summary of your bundle. And this here is the discount part. We went over that. Here you have a bundle status, which can be either active or a draft. So when it's active, we do show the bundle to your customers on your shop. But if you want to temporarily or indefinitely remove a bundle from your shop, or if you want us to stop showing it, you don't need to delete the bundle because maybe you might have use for it in the future. So you just need to make it a draft, and we will stop showing it on your shop. So next we had the displays. We went over that. Here is where you set a title for the bundle that you've created. For example, let's say it says special offer with an exclamation point. You don't need to worry or change this. You don't need to worry about or change this because this is not something your customers will see. This is just to identify your bundles. Next, we have the bundle as a product, which we went over. Here is a link that if you give them to your customer, give this link to your customers and they click on it, they will go to the cart page and the bundle will be displayed for variant selection, and then the bundle will be added to their cart. So this piece of coding here is what you would use if you want to include the bundle widget anywhere on your pages. So maybe you want to put the bundle on your home page or any other page that you have. You would only need to copy and paste this on that page. Then you have the landing page link, which is the landing page for this bundle. For example, let me show you. Yeah, so this is the landing page of that bundle. You see, it just shows this. So if you want to give this link to a customer, and this would be what they see. Lastly, you have the dates, the activation dates. So you specify here when you want us to start showing this bundle on your page. If it's a temporary offer or for whatever reason you want to have an end time for the offer, you also have that option. You check here and then you can choose the end date. Finally, you click save and you're done with making a simple bundle with fastbundle. So far, we saw how we can make a simple bundle using fastbundle. Moving on to the next types, we have the volume discount. So in the volume discount, you offer your customers a discount for buying more than one from anything that you have specified in the bundle. So maybe you want to apply this on all the products on your shop, or you want to apply it on a collection on your shop, or you want to apply it to a specific product. So the all products is particularly handy if you want to include this option for all the products on your page, but it's very easy because you don't have to do it one by one. I want to show you with a specific product example. Okay, so I first add the product that I want. For example, I want to choose something that is used quite often, maybe the lip balm. And then we go over to the discount options. So I want to give an offer for anybody who buys 2 lip balms, and I want to give them a 10% discount. So this description here shows what my bundle does. And if they buy 2 items from the lip balm, they get the discount. So what happens if they buy 3? This is where you can control what happens. If this is not checked and they do buy 3 of the lip balm, the first 2 are going to have a 10% discount and the third one will not have a discount. But if you do check this, all 3 lip balms will be discounted by 10%. So you can also choose to add multiple options, multiple discounting options for one bundle. For example, if for 2 items they get a 10% discount, maybe for 3 items they get a higher discount of 15%. And then you have the displays options here like before, and then you have the title and the dates, and then you click save. Okay, so let's preview the bundle we just created. On the product page, you're going to see that we have a bundle here that appears, and it tells me that if I buy 2, I can save 10%, and if I buy 3, I can save 15%. So that was the volume discount, and you can also use this as a BOGO option. So maybe you want to have a buy one, get one offer. You would only need to add an option. Let me show you. For example, if you want a BOGO option for this lip balm, you would need to set this required items to 2 and the discount value to 50%, and it would work just as a BOGO option. Another interesting use for volume discount is to get rid of your leftover products. So all you would need to do is go over to your Shopify admin and create a collection of the leftover products that you want to get rid of. And then you select the collection here, you browse your collections. Imagine if this were the collection that I'm talking about, that I've added my old unsold products to. I would check it and offer an enticing discount for it here, and that way I can get rid of them faster. Moving down on the list of the different types of bundles that you can create with fastbundle, next up we have the collection mix and match. So another very distinctive feature of fastbundle is the collection mix and match. We've had a lot of great feedback from merchants on this feature because it takes your customer's journey to the next level. The reason why customers respond so well to this kind of offer is mainly the freedom of choice that it gives them. They can actually choose what they get a discount on by building their own bundle. So they feel much less restriction while shopping as opposed to, for example, the simple bundle. So let's see how it works with an example. The collection mix and match is a type of bundle where you choose a few collections and then you specify how many items from those collections the customer has to buy in order to get a discount. So this is where you would add your collections. You can choose from the existing collections on your shop. For example, I want to include these 3 collections that I already have. And you can also create a new collection on the spot. For example, I want to create a new collection with these 3 types of foundation. And I want to name it foundations. So once your collections have been added, we move on to quantities. In this part, you specify how many items you want the customer to include from each of the collections. For example, I want them to buy 3 items from the eye collection, 2 from the face collection, 2 from the lip collection, and 1 from the foundations. Once that's done, we move over to discounts, where you set the value and the type of the discount. For example, I want to give them a 10% discount. You have the title, the description, and the dates, and you click Save. Let's see how it looks. You can preview it here. Okay. So now your offer appears here. You see it's slightly different from the bundles we've previously seen. There's no add to cart button. There's just the go to bundle builder button here because the customer has to first build the bundle and then add it to their cart. So this is the bundle builder page, which is a landing page that we create for each of the collection mix and match bundles that you create. And so you could choose to promote this page and the bundle itself instead of promoting any products page where the widget appears on. So this is you could choose to promote this on your homepage, on banners, on your emails, etc. So here you have the collections, and you also have how many items you need to add from each of them, and you can build the bundle. Let's get started from the first collection. So you see I have to add 3 items. I for example, choose this eye palette, and there's the progress bar here that shows me how far along I am, and the second one and the third one. So you see once I hit the limit of 3, the options are grayed out, and I don't get, I can't choose any other products to include from this collection. Moving on to the next collection, I choose this blush and this concealer. And then we have the lip collection. So if your products have variants, this is how one would add them to their cart. Like choosing the variant and another product. And you see so far I don't have any discount because I haven't completed my bundle. I haven't filled up all the required items. And once I do, now I can see the discount that is applied to my cart, and I can add it to my cart. Okay, so that was the collection mix and match. Let's see the displays option that we have. Here you see I can choose which collections on the product page of the items of which collections I want the bundle to appear on, and then I have the bundles page option as well. Here there's a little sync now button, which is for the rare, so Shopify doesn't notify us when you add or delete a product from your collection. So maybe when you're choosing the collections here, maybe there has been some changes that we are not aware of because Shopify doesn't notify us. In order to make those make us aware of those new changes that you've made, you would need to click on the Sync Now button here, and we could get the data. But it's very rare that you would need to do this. And then you click Save, and that was the collection mix and match. As I said, we've had a lot of satisfied merchants who said that this was very interesting, and I hope you give it a try and see the wonders that it does for your shop and your sales. Another type of bundle that you can create with fastbundle is the product mix and match. This is the most flexible kind of bundle you can make. You can specify a minimum number of items. You can make some items as required. This is especially useful for when you have a main product you want to upsell with some additional accessories. For example, if you're selling a laptop, you might want to upsell it with stickers or sleeves and covers, or, for example, if you're selling printers, you might want to include toner along with it. An important attribute of product mix and match is that you can make it into a bundle as a product or a combo product, like what we saw in the simple bundle. So let's see with an example how it works. First, you add your products. For example, I want to add these items here, and yeah, that's fine. Okay, so now that that's done, you set the discount type, the discount value, and then you specify a minimum required product. So this is where you specify how many products the customer has to at least include from this bundle you've created in order to qualify for the discount here. So maybe I want them to buy at least 3 products from these 5 products that I've included here. Next is where you specify which products or which single product you want to mark as required. So maybe you want to make this foundation a required product, the main product of that bundle. As I said, it can be a laptop that has some accessories along with it, or it could be a printer with some toner options. For example, let's say that this is the foundation as the main product, and I want the customer to absolutely buy this in order to get the discount. And then you have the multi-selection options here. If you check the box for any of the items here, the customer would have the choice to buy more than one from that item instead of buying different items in order to reach the minimum limit you've required. So maybe they, instead of buying a mascara and a blush, they just buy 2 mascaras. And this is where you choose how the widget looks at first, if you want all the products to be selected, and then the customer unchecks the one they don't want, or if you want none of them to be selected, and then the customer has to check the ones that they want to include. And let's set it to this. And then this is where you would set the BAP, or the bundle as a product, the combo product. I'm not going to do this because we already saw how this works. I just wanted to show you where you could control it. Next, you have the title, you have the description, and the dates. Here you have the displays item options, the product pages, and the bundles page. Let's save it. Okay, let's now take a look at it, and here we are. And this is the product mix and match we just created. So you see it says at least 3 items should be selected. Right now they're all selected, and you see that I can't unselect this one because it's a required product, but I can unselect these 2. And now I have chosen 3, so I do get the discount, but if I uncheck this one, no more discount. So I have to include at least 3 items, and then I can add it to my cart. And that was the product mix and match on fastbundle. The last type of bundle that you can create with fastbundle is the frequently bought together. So this type of bundle was originated in Amazon. It became so popular that you see it on a lot of online shops nowadays. Technically, it is a product mix and match, but the wording and the display make it stand out. It essentially provides the customer with a social proof for buying this bundle. They're going to think to themselves, if others bought these items together, there has to be a good reason. Why shouldn't I do the same? So let's create one and see how we can do that. First, you add a main product that you want to offer a frequently bought together bundle for. So let me browse my shop. For example, let's say maybe this eyeshadow palette. And then in the offered products part, you choose the products that are frequently bought together with the main product. For example, maybe along with the eyeshadow, people buy foundation and a mascara. Now that that's done, I go over to the discount part. You can choose among the different discount types that we have. For example, let's offer a 10% discount if they buy at least 2 products from the offered products, or maybe just 1 product. So they would get the discount if they buy this eyeshadow palette plus 1 of these products here. And then you have the title, and then you also have displays options here. You can display it on the main product page. And you save. Let's take a look at it. We're here in this eyeshadow product page, and you see here there's this little bundle that you can see, and it says frequently bought together, and you can choose which ones you want to add. So you see, if you buy the eyeshadow on its own, there's no discount, but if you add one, the discount appears. So that was frequently bought together, which we just saw how we can make. Now that we've gone over all there is to know about the creation of bundles with fastbundle, let's explore the app a bit. So it is very important for us in fastbundle that when you install the app and when you start building bundles and showing it to your customers, everything integrates well with your shop and how it looks. So it's important for us that you be able to make changes and customizations in the way that we display the bundles to your customers on your shop, which is why we've dedicated a whole section, a whole tab of the app to giving you the tools to customize how the bundles look on your page. So here you first have this option here that lets you customize how the bundle widget looks on the product pages. Let's see, you have a lot of options, a lot of, different variety of changes that you can make to the appearance of this bundle here. For example, you can change the color of the button. Maybe you want to make it a green. And you can also change what the button says. You can say, for example, instead of add to cart now, you can make it say add the bundle. And you can also change, for example, the bundle title. You can change the color, make it black, or change the size and the alignment, etc. You can also add your own codes if you want, and we can display it using those. Let's see, for example, we made this green here. Let's save it, and let's see how it looks. Okay, so here, let's refresh. As you can see, the colors of the buttons have turned green. Same goes with the, let's go back. Same goes with the cart pop-up. You can customize that as well. Here you have customization options for how the bundles appear on the bundles list, on the bundles page. For example, you can see there's the list of all the bundles that appear on that page, and you can control which ones go on top, which ones are further down, and you can play around with the order of the bundles on the bundles page. Moving on to the next tab, we have the Analytics tab, which is basically an overview of how the app has performed on your shop. So you can see it based on bundle. Here it shows you the number of bundle clicks you've had on your fast bundle offers. This shows you how many times customers have clicked on the add to cart button for any of your bundles. This shows you how many views you've had. So it counts how many times we have shown a bundle widget to your customers. So for example, if you have a product page which includes two bundle widgets, when a customer loads that product page, we would add 2 bundle views to your shop. That's 2 views. And you can also see it based on order. So this is a demo shop. It doesn't yet have any order, but this is basically for tracking to know which bundle you've sold to which customers and in which order. So we show some contents on your shop. Here there's a list of all of those contents, all the phrases, all the words, the sentences, and you can choose to translate this. If, for example, you have a shop that is not in English, you can choose to translate every single one of these to the language of your preference. Or even if you are an English shop, you can choose to change these phrasings and wordings for whatever reason, and you can tailor it to your shop and the way it fits your customers and what you're selling. So you can do this by getting on the Settings tab in the translation part of the Fast Bundle admin. Also, in the Pro plan, we support multilingual translation, in which you could choose to translate to not just one, but many different languages. The next setting is the inventory track. This is where you control what happens when you have a bundle that includes a sold out product. So you have the option to, we offer 2 different options for this kind of scenario. The first one is where we keep showing the bundle on the bundles page, on the bundles list, on the bundles page, or the product page. But we put a sold out badge on it so that the customer knows that it's been sold out, and they also can't add it to their cart. Another option is to not display the sold out bundles at all. And you also have the option to ask us not to track inventory. And in that case, we would show all your bundles regardless of the inventory situation. So this is controlled in the inventory track on the Settings tab of the app. Next up, we have the feature request. This is where you can tell us which features you would like Fast Bundle to have. Your opinions matter a lot to us. It can change the course of the path that we envision for the app and its feature. So if there is anything that you feel Fast Bundle needs to have, you can tell us here. There are already some features that have been requested by our other merchants. You can upvote them or comment on them, and we will see all of this, and it plays a big part of the decisions that are made in Fast Bundle. So that was the Settings tab and the feature request part. Next, we have the plan, and so this is where you can see the details of the plans that you have, like the current plan, how much usage you've gotten out of it, and the details of the other plans if you wish to upgrade. For example, you have all the features. Every single one of the features we've seen in this video are all free to test. You can test them in the free plan. And here you can see the additional features that are present in each of our plans. So these prices are for the monthly subscription, but you get a 20% discount if you choose to subscribe annually to Fast Bundle. So as you see, our most popular plan is the Pro plan, and you see the features and the number of bundle shows that each of the plans have. Lastly, you have the discount setting here. So in the discount application settings, you have a choice to make. Imagine this scenario where you have a bundle that includes product A and product B. Now, your customer goes to the product page of product A and adds that product alone to their cart, and then the same for product B. So they add it separately to their cart without clicking on the Add to Cart button of any bundle offer or widget anywhere. In that case, if you check the first choice that you have, which says always apply the discount, we will detect the bundle inside your customer's cart and apply the discount on it. If you check the second option, which says apply the discount only if the bundle is clicked by the customer, we don't detect anything in their cart, and if they add it separately, they don't get a discount. They only get a discount if they add it from the bundle widget or the bundles page and etc. So this is where you control what happens when someone adds the items of a bundle separately to their cart. So that was on the discount part of the settings tab of the admin. I hope that this video has been useful to you so far. A very vital part of success on Shopify relies on getting in contact and collaborating with app supports. We at Fast Bundle pride ourselves on having a highly dedicated support team. We are available to answer any questions and resolve any issues you may have. Our team also helps you with customizations and changes tailored specifically to your liking. We can also help set up the app on your shop. To contact support, you can click on the chat icon that you see on the bottom right corner of your admin panel here. We also offer free on-demand demo sessions where you can share screen with our support team and get help for any and all of your issues. Check out the description to find the links for support and demo. We wish you a successful journey on Shopify. Happy bundling!